Today on Auto Pros on the Road, we're in Peoria, Arizona at Leroy's Auto and Truck Care. What began as a small diesel-focused shop 10 years ago has grown into a trusted name for all makes and models, built on integrity, quality, and a commitment to doing things right the first time.
Started in the parts industry through NAPA, and then about 10 years ago, my wife and I decided to venture out of that and into the auto repair industry. Started as a diesel-focused shop, and as we started developing that, we realized that everybody didn't have a driveway full of diesel trucks. So we started engaged in all makes and models, and it just kind of grew from there. Our market's pretty unique. We've got a good blue-collar community. We also have a huge influx in snowbirds. We're within a mile of a retirement community, actually within 5 square miles of 3 major retirement communities. So we get a lot of travelers that come in and they recognize the brand NAPA. A lot of that generation kind of falls into that looking for quality work and a reputation, so it benefits us.
From the start, NAPA's been there, with reliable parts and expert training that make all the difference.
They really do a lot of focus on the small shop with the auto care program. They put a lot of money into just support for the program. We're able to offer a really good nationwide warranty through it, doing the 3-year, 36,000. We get good parts through them. Our in-house warranty is 5-year, 50,000. A lot of the NAPA parts we buy carry a lifetime warranty, and we extend that to customers just to give them that added value. If we do suspension work, we let them know, hey, labor, we've got a 5-year, the parts have got a lifetime. This is the last time you're buying this part. As expensive as cars are getting, and they say this is my forever car, we want to make sure they have forever parts on that car. The techs all participate in the NAPA training program. I have an apprentice right now that's going through their apprentice program. And like I say, he's learning a lot. He wanted hands-on training from techs that know what they're doing, from a good shop. The one recommendation or requirement we had was you've got to participate in this to kind of build your foundation. And so far he's doing pretty well with it.
But Troy knows the industry never stands still. Technology is changing faster than ever, and staying ahead is key.
We use AI on a daily basis here now. Kind of help us through some tough diagnostics, just see what's new out there for these guys as far as equipment and software. So that's definitely been one of those that if we didn't stay engaged with technology growth, I don't know where we'd be today. We had our first customer a couple weeks ago, so they found us on ChatGPT, and it was one of those like the eyebrow raised, like, what do you mean you found us? Like, yeah, I just searched for a good diesel repair shop in Peoria and popped you guys up there. So through a peer group that we're involved in, like, discussed it with a few other members, and they were like, yeah, this is legit. It's a new marketing tool. If I don't learn, somebody else is, and it could be a competitor.
No matter how much the industry changes, Troy believes the heart of the business truly lies in one thing: his employees.
Giving these guys the support and watching them grow and elevate, kind of keep an open dialogue with them. Like say, they're the key to it, is when they're here, they have a suggestion or an idea to make it better. We definitely listen to them and take that into consideration, and we apply that with just day-to-day procedures, and it affects their confidence because they feel more confident that they're not just showing up and getting paid to do a job. They have the opportunity to grow and affect everything with the business. So